Hello everyone, I welcome you all in our another DS session where we will be solving a new DSA problem in C++. If you haven't checked our playlist, the playlist is ready. I will be uploading all the DSA questions here so you can check out. So let's start our today's DSA session by saying Har Har Mahadev. Our today's problem is Leetcode 3, longest substring without repeating character. It is a medium level of question and it consists of topics such as hash table, strings, and sliding windows. It is asked in many companies like Amazon, Apple, Bloomberg in recent 0 to 6 month, and it is asked in Adobe, Uber, Accenture, Paytm, and many other companies. So let's read out our question so you will be getting it more clear. Here you are given a string and we have to find the longest substring without repeating character. Before that, you should be knowing what is string. A string is a sequence of character. It is represented in single quotes, double quote, or triple quotes. It in that quotes, it can be anything. It can be letters, digits, symbol, character, variable, or anything. How it is different from our substring? A substring is a continuous sequence of character, and our string is a sequence of character. In substring, we use the character to define our range. That means if we consider our hello world, then we will be giving its range from 0. H will be at our 0 position, and our D will be at our 10th index. Here we are given a range for our substring starting from our 0 index to our 10 index. It can be vary from a single character like our second example, which was BBB. Here in our question we are taking non-repetitive substring. That means once we have taken a unique character, then that character should not be repeating. But here the B are repeating, so our output was only 1 or a entire length of an original character like this hello world program. So let's move to our question. Here in our example 1, we are given with an input string as abc abcbb. The longest substring without repeating character is abc, because the other substring like abca and bcbb are not valid because they contain repeating character, and only our abc character is unique. So we have print our output as 3 because there are only 3 unique character in our input string. In our example 2, here we are given with a string as BBBBB. Here the longest substring without repeating character is only B, because all the other characters are repeated, so there is no other character in the string, so we have simply written our output as 1. In our example 3, we are given with an string as pw, wk, and ew. Here we have multiple unique strings, substrings, which are pw, then ww, then we have kwe with our 3 substrings, but we will be considering only our longest substring. So we have considered kwe as our longest substring, and we have printed our output as 3. Here we have, for solving this type of problem, we have used sliding window approach. You can see we are given with an topic sliding window. What is basically a sliding window? The window that will store only unique character and does not shrink or expand. This window will be remaining the same as long as there will be only unique characters, If a repeated character is found, we will be shrinking the window until we again get only unique character. So let's write our code so you will be getting it more clear.
First, we will be initializing a variable n, which will be storing our length of our input string s. In our example 3, we have observed that there are three substrings. So we'll be initializing another variable max length, which will be storing the value of maximum length. So we'll be initializing it to our 0 position. Now we'll initialize two pointer, left pointer and right pointer for our sliding window, and we will initialize its position to 0 index, which means our window is empty. We will create an unordered set character scene, which will store our characters that have been coming in our window, sliding window. Now we will be writing a while loop for our code. Inside it, we will be checking that our right pointer is smaller than our n. That means we will be checking all the values of our right pointer till it reach our end of the string. Here we will be writing if statement for our right pointer scene.find right pointer. That means we will be finding our right pointer. If we find our right pointer, we will be returning a value scene.end. Scene.insert s of right pointer. That means our right pointer is added to our string. Now we will be incrementing our right pointer, and we will be updating our max length by comparing the current length of our window by right minus left. If our condition for right pointer fails, that means there are repeating character within our window, then we will be writing an else statement inside which we will be removing our repeating character until we find unique characters in our window. That means scene.erase string of left character, and we will be incrementing our left pointer. Let's write a return statement for our code. Return maximum length.
Let's check our code is working or not. Yes, our code is accepted for all the three cases. Let us submit our code.